He received his doctorate in the philosophy of science in the year 1941. And that was the year many of us know that Hitler then, in Germany, took over, right? Because at that time, 1939, Hitler became Chancellor of Germany. And in 1940, the Second World War was called. And the Sheikh, he left at that time towards going back to Maghrib to do his da'wah. But of course, while he was there, he didn't lose the opportunity to do his da'wah. So the ulama, they mentioned in the biography that he actually met Hitler himself. And this is something to know. This is the Imam we're talking about, the Alim, Salafi, and his benefit all across the world. It mentions in his biography that once Sheikh Hilali, he was sitting in Lebanon with Sheikh Zuhair Shawish and a few others, and they asked him, how was your meeting with Hitler the day you met him? And he said that time I met him, he was very confused and silent when he met me because he didn't know me. And I sat with him and I asked him, what are you going to do about the Palestinian issue? It means the Palestine and Israel issue. What are you going to do to help the Palestinians? Or are you going to help them? And he said, possibly. And he said, from that day on, Hitler didn't meet me or see me except he honored me. And so this is the kind of Imam we're talking about in our era, rahimahullah, someone who the ulama they mention is very, very rare. Right? The polymath, the globetrotter, he went everywhere.